fired off.
All right, Bren, what do you think?
Super nice quality. So this is Ryft. They make exhaust, wheels. So Danny at Empire Speed, we're a dealer for them. They're kind of, they don't have as extensive as application yet, but the stuff they do make is crazy nice. This is stainless steel. A lot of their stuff is also titanium. So these are downpipes for 600 LT. So this is part of our stage 2 package. We're going to be doing air filters, downpipes, and tuning. Then we're going to shoot some flames.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up.
All right, Johnny, where you at?
Hey guys, back at it again on the underneath the McLaren now. Got the underpinning pan out to access the V-band clamps on the turbos to get the inlet side off, or the exit side off for the exhaust, so we can install the Ryft downpipes.
Roof downpipes.
roof Ryft. They're gonna be shooting flames through the roof.
That's for sure.
Yeah, the thing's gonna be pretty rowdy when it's done.
We're just taking the catalyst out, since it's a race use only application. Obviously this is going on the street, you couldn't do that, it wouldn't be legal. This guy's just going to track this car only from this point out, so we can take the catalytic converters, remove them for a non-street driven application. This will also allow the car to blow a considerable amount of fire out of the exhaust pipes, which looks cool. It'll need custom tuning, and that'll really make the fire come out, so it should be pretty cool when we get done.
Stay hydrated, my friends.
All right, Johnny. How's this side going?
Heat shields in, O2 sensors in, are getting ready to go in, and then wrap it up on the top, and we should be wrapping it up today. Man, especially on the downshifts, it's really crisp and real throaty, man. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It makes it sound like the car that it is, like it should, you know what I'm saying? Before, per se, they sounded good, but it sounds like it should factory.
Does it feel much faster?
Oh yeah, I mean, throttle responsive is a lot more crisp, and the tape, I mean, just rolling from light to light and even instant. I mean, it's just, you can hear the turbo spool up way, you know, clean, crisp.
That's sweet.
Sweet.
Good stuff.
So what do we got? We're doing the final test drive on this McLaren 600 LT. So this has our stage 2 package. So we went with Ryft downpipes. Thank you, Danny. Ryft makes some phenomenal stuff. It is spelled R-Y-F-T. So if you want to know, they make a lot of super high-end exclusive exhaust components, carbon fiber components. They make wheels, ultra high-end, numbered sets. A lot of stuff's titanium, some stainless, just super high quality stuff. So that's what we went with on this one and the orange one. So our stage 1 package is about 100 horsepower and 105 foot-pounds of torque over stock. And then, you know, stage 2, if you had the downpipes, you're at around 135 horsepower over stock and around 145 foot-pounds of torque. So pretty good gain. That kind of caps it out unless we do turbo upgrades. But a lot of people, they're fine stopping here. The 600 LT, they got the badass exhaust that come out the back. So we don't do anything but the downpipes. The rest of the exhaust is such a small section anyway. It's really not even worth doing. And then obviously, you know, this guy wanted to shoot flames, which is popular. So we can do that. You know, the downpipes help dramatically. And then, of course, you know, the custom tuning, the parameters that we changed to make that happen. And it looks super cool, especially at night. You'll see it in the video. I love the way this thing sounds. I don't know what it's going to sound like in video, but in person, it's like phenomenal. You hear a little section where it's safe, and I'll get on a little bit so y'all can hear it, and I'll be quiet. It's a badass car for nothing but air filters, tuning, and a set of downpipes. It's pretty impressive. Here, we'll do one more from a dead stop. Pretty sick. So awesome car to begin with. Obviously, you know, if you're starting off in a car that's at this level, it doesn't take a whole lot to make it super, you know, over the top. So this is, in my opinion, this is like the best bang for the buck package on these cars. You know, 'cause if you do the downpipes and you get the fire, which looks, I mean, crazy badass at night. It sounds like so aggressive. Like I would not want the car to be any louder than this. And honestly, even if you did full exhaust on this, there's really nothing back there, so it'd be minimal. And you get, you know, a good gain in power. So you're pretty much about as efficient as possible right now, unless you did upgrade the turbos. So a lot of people stop here. Turbos obviously can get into a lot more money. And you do run into a few other things that you should do at that point, as far as intercoolers and keeping the intake air temperatures down. So you just want to keep it simple. I think this is the sweet spot, so to say. This thing's handles so good. A lot of people stare at this thing. It's loud as hell from outside. All looks good. We will put it on the rack one more time, do final safety inspection, scan and clear all the modules, all the same basic stuff we always do. We will use the Leonardo tool for that. I've done a video on the Leonardo tool. That is our go-to diagnostic tool for a lot of exotic cars, most exotic cars, especially McLaren. There are a few where we use some specialized OEM tools for some certain procedures, but by and large, Leonardo is kind of, in my opinion, is the best choice out there by far. I've yet to use or know of anybody else to use a tool that's better than that. So yeah, we'll deliver this one. We got probably like 5 cars getting ready to leave. So if you're waiting on a car right now, good news. Hopefully yours is one of them. So we got a whole batch getting ready to load on transports and head out. All right, back at the compound. See you guys later.
Put the place up.